In this video, we will explore the stock variance feature within Merlin, navigate to this area via Inventory, Stock Control, and the Stock Variance tab. When performing a stock take, this tool can be used to identify the variances between the current stock physically in practice versus the amounts currently displaying according to Merlin. Firstly, ensure we have selected the correct supplier, and Merlin will select the practice's default supplier, but we can choose another from the drop-down option where necessary. We now have the option from selecting a treatment type from the left-hand side, as well as showing all to show us all products. We can use the description and the code search, for example, Metacam, and press Run. This will then show us all products that have Metacam within their description. We can then enter the current stock into the right-hand column named Available on Shelf. Click into the box, type the amount that is available on the shelf, and once we move down to the next row, we will see those figures added will turn green. Continue to enter the amounts, and now press Save at the bottom of the screen. The next step is to produce a variance report by selecting this button at the bottom here. There are date filters here, and this will allow us to produce that variance report for any available on-shelf figures that have been added on these dates. Once the icon of Variance Report is selected, this will produce a PDF report displaying all the items we input and available on the shelf figure for, and we can see the stock level according to Merlin in the first column. And we can also see the figures that we manually put into the Available on Shelf column. This report can then be used to draw attention to large variances in the amounts and pinpoint discrepancies.